Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best pink shaker cup on the market. The BlenderBottle Classic V2 Shaker Bottle in a beautiful light pink shade. Whether you're mixing protein shakes, pre-workout drinks, or smoothies, this bottle promises convenience, durability, and style all in one sleek design. Right off the bat, the BlenderBottle Classic V2 impresses with its upgraded look and smart feature updates. It's built upon the iconic BlenderBottle Classic design but brings a fresh twist with a rounded base and a spout guard, which keeps the drinking spout clean and hygienic, perfect for those on-the-go moments when you don't want to worry about germs or spills. The bottle has a 20-ounce capacity, though the measurement markings inside go up to 14 ounces for precise mixing. This size hits a sweet spot for anyone who needs a compact but efficient shaker. Made from durable plastic, it's BPA and phthalate-free, so you can feel safe using it every day. One of the standout features is the patented mixing system that includes a 316 surgical-grade stainless steel blender ball wire whisk. This blender ball moves freely inside the bottle to thoroughly mix powders and liquids into smooth, lump-free drinks every time. The wide mouth design makes adding your protein powder, supplements, or liquids incredibly easy, plus it simplifies cleaning afterward. Speaking of cleaning, the BlenderBottle Classic V2 is top-rack dishwasher safe, which means you won't spend time scrubbing hard-to-reach areas. The bottle's rounded base helps prevent powder from getting stuck, and its overall construction resists odors, keeping your drink fresh. The screw-on lid creates a leak-proof seal, giving you confidence that your shake won't spill in your gym bag or car cup holder. The flip cap snaps securely shut and features the innovative spout guard that protects the mouthpiece from dirt. Plus, the wide loop top is perfect for carrying or attaching keys, so it's both functional and travel-friendly. In terms of dimensions, the bottle is compact enough to fit most cup holders, standing about 7 inches tall, and just under 4 inches wide, making it ideal for daily use, whether you're at the gym, office, or outdoors. This bottle isn't just for protein shakes. Its versatility extends to smoothies, fiber drinks, meal replacements, or even just water. The embossed measurement markings in both ounces and milliliters give you precision whether you're tracking your nutrition or hydration. Another bonus is the manufacturer's limited lifetime warranty, showing the company's confidence in their product's quality and durability. Overall, the BlenderBottle Classic V2 in light pink combines functionality, durability, and an eye-catching color that makes it stand out from other shaker bottles. If you're looking for a reliable, stylish shaker that makes mixing your drinks effortless and keeps your nutrition routine on point, this BlenderBottle Classic V2 is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest product reviews. See you next time.